The Samsung Galaxy A18 5G is shaping up to be one of the most exciting budget 5G smartphones of 2026, bringing premium vibes to an affordable price segment. Samsung continues its tradition of delivering stylish design, reliable performance, and long-term software support, and the Galaxy A18 5G is no exception. Right from the first look, the Galaxy A18 5G feels modern and refined. It features a sleek, slim body with a clean matte finish that resists fingerprints and gives it a premium touch. The large 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display offers vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth scrolling thanks to its 90 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're streaming YouTube, browsing social media, or gaming, the screen experience feels immersive and fluid. Samsung's display tuning once again stands out in its class. Under the hood, the Galaxy A18 5G is powered by an efficient 5G-enabled processor paired with up to 6GB, 8GB RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and reliable day-to-day performance. Apps open quickly, switching between tasks feels seamless, and light to moderate gaming runs comfortably. For users who want speed without spending flagship money, this device hits the sweet spot. The 5G connectivity ensures faster downloads, smoother streaming, and future-ready performance. Photography is another area where the Galaxy A18 5G shines. The triple camera setup includes a high-resolution primary sensor that captures detailed and well-balanced shots in daylight. Colors look natural, dynamic range is impressive for the price, and portrait mode delivers decent background blur. The AI enhancements improve low-light shots, making night photography more usable than ever in the budget segment. On the front, the selfie camera produces clear and social media-ready photos with good skin tones and sharpness. Battery life is one of the strongest highlights. With a massive 5000 mAh battery, the Galaxy A18 5G easily lasts a full day, even for heavy users. Streaming, gaming, browsing, and video recording won't drain it quickly. Fast charging support ensures you spend less time plugged in and more time using your device. Software experience is clean and user-friendly, running Samsung's latest One UI version on top of Android. You get useful customization options, privacy features, and smooth animations. Samsung's promise of regular security updates makes the phone even more reliable for long-term use. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A18 5G is a perfect choice for students, casual users, and anyone looking for a reliable 5G smartphone on a budget. It combines stylish design, smooth display, dependable performance, capable cameras, and long battery life, all wrapped in Samsung's trusted ecosystem. For your channel upcoming smartphones hub, this phone is a strong contender in the budget 5G race of 2026. If you're looking for value, performance, and brand reliability in one package, the Galaxy A18 5G deserves serious attention. Rocket Cell Phone.